Hello, I'm Luke from Clout.Media, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about why sound is so important to your videos. When it comes to video, I'm sure you've seen on YouTube and Facebook and other channels where video comes in that a video with bad sound is just the worst, and you'll turn off and you'll lose your viewers in about a second if the sound is pony. Now, the reason for this is because people maybe just don't know better and they think it's good enough to do the video and the sound using whatever device they're using. I want to share with you an example of the different quality and sounds you get depending on what setup you're using. So with this video, I'm talking down the camera here, and this is what I'm using throughout my other YouTube series, and I'm wearing a lapel mic, and I'm sure you'll agree that the sound is very nice, it's crisp, it's clean. I'm not having to raise my voice or shout or anything like that. Now, I've also got my smartphone recording at the bottom here and for the sound of it, and you can hear that in a few moments time. And I've also got an onboard microphone just above the camera as well. So if we now go across to the smartphone microphone. This is what it sounds like from the smartphone. From this sort of distance, I'm about, what, for 3.5 feet away from the camera, and this is how it sounds on a smartphone. If I now change across into the onboard microphone, it's a Zoom H1, Old Faithful, and you'll see how much of a difference that already makes for the sound quality. You may be able to pick up a bit more bounce in the room, for example, and then if we go back to the lapel microphone, you can hear it now here. There's much more bass into the voice, it's a richer sound. So that's just an example of the kind of differences you can expect when you're using different devices. One thing I'd suggest if you want to do it with a smartphone is you can get a little microphone ejectors, that's even a word. You can get little microphone jacks. Now these plug into, actually I've got one here, hang on, 1 second. Okay, you can get one of these from eBay for a couple of quid. Now what's important about these is with a lot of smartphones now, unless you're using an iPhone, you haven't got a jack anymore, but that's your choice. If you're using a smartphone that does have a headphone jack into it, you can't just stick in a lapel mic and it'll work. The reason being is that smartphones have 3 pins in their barrels. Now if you have a look at this one here, and I'll put an image in a second, there are 3 rings here. 2 of them for left and right channel for your headphones, and the 3rd one is for your microphone. The idea being that this goes into your smartphone, this then goes into your regular lapel mic, and then you've got a lapel mic in your smartphone, rather than using the onboard sound, which sounds a bit like this, which maybe isn't quite so good. So that's Luke from Clout.Media, giving you some information as to why sound is so important and some examples about what does and doesn't work when it comes to sound, and a little tip, a little pro thing, just to get you going. Hope that's been of interest. If you want to find out more, let me know, and I'll speak to you again in the next video. Thanks for now.